Hello student, my name is Mohit Sirwas. Welcome back again. Today we will understand, you can say it, example that is given on page number 13 in NCERT book. Okay. So I have drawn one diagram over here. So first of all, let me explain about it. Then we will discuss about questions. Okay. One bus, one bus goes from A point to B point and covers 4,170 kilometer. Then again go ahead, then 3 to 6, then 3,410 kilometer. Then C to D 2,160 kilometer and D to E 8,140 kilometer. Now E to F 4,830 kilometer. Now F to G 2,550 kilometer. Now G to A, then 1,290 kilometer. Clear? Now see, writing question, it will be little bit complicated because space is little bit. So I will tell you the questions. So question is that, listen carefully. A bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 60 km per hour. The journey is shown on page number 14. So I have drawn the figure over here. Okay. So first question is that what we have to find? First question of it. What we have to find? Bus will cover, means find the total distance covered by the bus from A to D. Total distance. Total distance we have to find from A to D. Okay. So A to D, what? A to D. Simply we have to add all the kilometers. So what is given? A to B. A to B 4,170. 4,170 kilometer. Okay. Okay. Now B to C 3,410. 3,410. Now C to D 2,160 kilometer. Now simply add them all. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 will come. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, now 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1. Okay, carry is added in this. So 6 will come over here. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So it is your first answer. Okay. Now question number second, B part of it. Wait. Second part, B. Find the total distance covered by the bus from D to G. D to G. Total distance covered by bus from D to G. Clear? From D to G. I have written in short total distance. Okay. So first of all, D to G. So D to E, distance D to G. There are 2 stops. So we have to add also. So first of all, D to E, distance 8 140 kilometer. Now E to F 4830 kilometer. Now F to G 2550 kilometer. Done. Now add all. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 will come. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. Now I am adding carry 1 plus. Sorry, okay. First of all, add the number. Then after that, we will add last carry. Okay. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. Now 1 is carry. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So it is your answer. Okay. Now question part 2 of this question is completed. Now next. Now next. C. Find the total distance covered by the bus if it starts from A and returns back to A. So what we have to find? Total distance. What we have to find? We have to find I'm just okay, clearing using this figure. We have to find the distance from A like this, and again the bus is moving back. Okay, got my point? So very simple, no issue. So first of all, we will add all the distance. So I'm just simply adding all. So A to B 41. I'm not writing kilometer this time. Okay. Now B to C 3410. Now C to D 2160. Now D to E 8140. Now E to F 4830. 830. Okay, 4830. Now F to G 255. 2550. And last one is left. Wait. 25500. F to G. And last one G to A. 1290. Now I am writing answer over here. Clear? 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 0 will come in all cases. Okay. Now 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 3 21. 21 plus 5 26. 26 plus 9 35. Now 3 is carry. 3 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 5 23. 23 plus 2 25. We can add also, no problem. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 2, 25, 25 plus 1, 26. Okay, but what we have to find? Return back journey also. So as you know, as we know about it, same distance will be covered by the bus as bus goes back. Okay, simply what we have to do it simply. So this is listen 2655. It's a journey of from A to A, A to A, and it's about one direction. And if from again going back, so just make it double because same distance will be covered by the bus while going back. Okay, so just double it 26550. Now you will have answer 0 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0 will come over here and 1 is carry. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11 and 1 is carry. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13. Now 1 is carry. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 and 5. The total journey will be covered by the bus from going in and back 53,000 1 tens 100 1000 53,100 kilometer total. Okay. Now next question. Okay. Now D. Can you find the difference of distance from C to D and D to A? We have to find now difference from C to D. What is the distance total? C to D 2160 kilometer, and D to A difference we have to find. So in difference, see, it's not compulsory which number you will put first, only you have to write the highest number first. So see, what is given that 216 is smaller than that, so we will write first D to E 40 kilometer. Now second G to D 2160 kilometer. Now subtract, only subtract we have to do. We have to apply subtraction on it. 0 minus 0, 0 will come. 4 cannot be, so we are taking 1 carry here. So it will be 14. 14 we will subtract from 6. Okay, 6 will be subtracted from 14, so answer will be 8. Here 0 is here, so 1 carry we will take. Here is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here is 7. 7 minus 2, 5. It's your answer. Okay. Now last question. Wait. Find out the time taken by the bus. See, speed is given 60 km per hour. Okay, so we have to find out the time. So find out the time. Find out. Question is changed. It's a E. Find out time. Okay. First time we have to find out 4. See, before that, I will tell you one thing. See, one formula is here. Distance upon time equal to speed. Okay, like that. Okay, but we have to find what? Time. So just use this. Time, distance upon speed. And distance is given this one. And speed is given this one. So simply we have to use this formula. So I'm writing at corner this formula. T D upon S. So first of all we have to find A to B. A to B. Time. So what is the distance between them? First of all, A to B 4170 is given in kilometer. Okay. Okay, and don't write kilometer units like that here. Okay, that and this one is given in 60. Clear? See, first of all check this one also. Okay, it is the same or not. Okay, it means kilometer should be matched, must be matched. Okay, and this will come in R. Okay, wait, I'm writing over here, no problem. Kilometer per hour. Okay, see, so 6. Okay, now we will divide this number by 6. 6, 36. 5 is left. Okay, 5 is left. So 6 8 48 6 9 9 54. Okay, so 6 9 54. So 3 is left. So that will come like that. See, 69 3 by 6 means 3132 R. Clear? 69 1 upon 2 and R. Okay, 1 R. This will it means A to B. Time is taken by that was this much, 69 hours half. Now next, formula everybody knows. Now C to D. C to D. C to D what? What is the distance C to D? 2 1. I am putting in formula. Okay, D distance C to D 2160 kilometer. Okay, now time, speed 60 kilometer per hour. Cut it. 6 3 18. Now 6 6 36. So what time? 36 hours. Clear? Now next, E to G. So what is given? E to G. Same formula we will use. T, distance, E to G. So we have to add both. 483 plus 2550 divided by 60 speed. Okay. Now add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. And 5 plus 8, 13. Now 1 is carry. Now 4 plus 2, 6, 6 and 1, 7. Divided by 60. Okay, kilometer and kilometer per hour. 6, 0, 0 will become by 0. Now 6, 1, 6. Now 1 is left. So 6 to 12 and 6, 3, 18. So 123 hours. Clear? Now last question in that. Total journey. Time we have to find out the time of total journey. So we have found total journey in last questions. Okay, that is 26,550 kilometer. So simply put this in this formula. Distance, total distance, this one, kilometer. Now divided by 60 kilometer. Okay, now 0 will go 0 by 0 and divide it. 6, 3, 6, 4, 24, 6, 4, 24. Now 2 is left. 6, 4, 24. 1 is left. Okay, and 6, 2. Okay, again I'm doing 6, 4, 24. 4 will come. Now 2 is left. 6, 4, 24. 1 is left. Okay, now 6, 2. So one time I will explain this one again. 0 is cut by 0. Now 6, 4, 24. Now 2 is left. 6, 4, 24. 1 is left. 6, 3. Sorry, not 6, 3. 6, 2, 12. Now 3 is left. Okay. So what answer is here? 4, 4, 2, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 6. Now kilometer is cut by kilometer. Now what is left? Hours. Okay. Okay, 3, 1 and 3, 2. So what answer is 1 upon 2 hours. So this way we have completed this question. Next time we will meet with new question. So for now, bye. Thanks for watching.